Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete everything in your iPhone. So guys, if you're looking to erase everything in your iPhone, like all of your data, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, all you need to do is just go ahead and open settings first. And once you do so, just scroll down and find general, which is right above accessibility. So once you tap there, you'll find even more options like About, Software Update, iPhone Storage, Dictionary, TV Provider, and many more. You just need to search for Transfer or Reset iPhone, which is right above Shutdown. So just tap there. And guys, on the bottom two options, you can see Reset and Erase all content and settings. So guys, if you want to reset your iPhone without losing all of your data and erasing everything, then you can just tap on reset and your iPhone will be reset to factory settings. But if you're looking to erase everything and delete everything, then you can just tap on erase all content and settings and you can successfully delete everything in your iPhone. So guys, that's how you delete everything in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.